for November the 1st from 2014. If nothing matters, students of University of North Carolina complain about a course where nobody fails. No test is set and no time given to lectures or tutorials for 3,100 students over 18 years. Students describe the issue as an American system of white supremacist heteropatriarchal capitalism and brings our understanding of what it means to be a Tar Heel into question. A Tar Heel is a proud name for North Carolina peoples. The shameful thing is that for 18 years there was no oversight of an academic campus, of an Ivy League-styled campus. Let the Democrats put that in their mascot ass. ALP have failed in opposition to direct action on the environment. The environmental policy of the Liberal Party has been taken to 2 elections and has a mandate, but the ALP don't recognize it. It is hard to know what the ALP are doing in their opposition to good policy. The Greens already do that, and better. The ALP are shedding left-wing support to the Greens and repudiating their supporters of the centre-left. If the ALP reformed and dumped their union affiliates and ran as a party with policies, they might make a difference. At the moment, they make a bad legislative bloc. The Age was wrong to claim Howard had rebuked Abbott over the policy of turning back votes. It is a good policy which has saved lives and leads to fairer outcomes for refugees. What Mr. Howard had said was that it was a better policy to do that than to attempt to get prior permission, as the ALP demand, because a nationalist would be duly bound to say no prior, whether they're pragmatic to say yes after. ALP Glenn Surrey rebukes ALP Melissa Parker over an anti-Semitic attack. Melissa was ignorant to state her opposition to ALP policy in support of terrorists who use BDS to hurt Israel. Recently, BDS have had success with SodaStream, and hundreds of so-called Palestinians are unemployed as a result. Clive Palmer admits backdating instrument that he wanted to employ to withdraw $12 million to bankroll his federal campaign. It is apparent Palmer had no right or authority to spend the money he used. Gillard declared questionable, possibly corrupt. Gillard set up the instruments her boyfriend used to extort millions of dollars from companies for personal use. She was also his lawyer. ABC fields Dr. Carl, who lies effortlessly. He was quoted as misquoting a British Met Office statement, and given an opportunity to correct it, he failed repeatedly. Did Nova Paris mislead Parliament? She claims she was the victim of extortion, but the evidence she refers to does not suggest that, if nothing matters.